Did you know your lungs have a sense of taste? It sounds crazy, right? But stick with me. Every single breath you take isn't just about pulling in oxygen. Your lungs are actively sampling, or tasting, the air around you. And it's a critical part of how your body protects itself. This isn't about tasting a delicious meal, but something far more important: survival. So, how does this work? Deep inside your lungs, embedded in the cells lining your airways, are tiny sensors. Scientists were amazed to discover that these are the exact same type of bitter taste receptors you have on your tongue. Yes, the same biological machinery that makes you recoil from a bitter food is also present in your respiratory system. It's a fascinating example of how our bodies repurpose tools for different jobs. These receptors aren't there for flavor. They're on high alert, acting as microscopic guards. Their job is to detect harmful chemicals in the air. Think about things like air pollution, smoke, dust, or other airborne toxins. When these bitter compounds enter your lungs and come into contact with these receptors, it's like an alarm bell goes off. The receptors send an immediate signal, triggering a defensive response. Your airways might constrict, making it harder for more of the bad stuff to get in. Or you might start to cough, which is your body's powerful way of physically expelling the irritants. It's a brilliant, built-in defense mechanism. While your tongue tastes bitterness to warn you against eating something potentially poisonous, your lungs taste bitterness to warn you against breathing something dangerous. It's your body's way of screaming, "Hey, this air is not good for you. Let's get it out of here." It's an automatic, unconscious process that happens with every breath, protecting you from invisible threats. This reaction can be so subtle you might not even notice it, but it's happening constantly. This immediate reaction is crucial. When your lungs taste these bitter substances, they don't hesitate. The smooth muscles in your airways can tighten almost instantly. This process, called bronchoconstriction, narrows the passages, effectively creating a barrier to limit the intake of harmful particles. For people with conditions like asthma, these receptors can be even more sensitive, which helps explain why their airways can react so strongly to triggers in the environment. It's a powerful, life-saving reflex. So, while your lungs can't distinguish between sweet, sour, or salty, they have mastered the taste of danger. They can't tell you if the air smells like fresh-baked cookies, but they can and will react when they detect the bitter signature of pollution. It's a constant, silent tasting session dedicated to keeping you safe from the unseen dangers floating in the air we breathe. It's an incredible reminder of how wonderfully complex and protective our bodies are. Isn't that just mind-blowing? Our bodies have these amazing hidden abilities that work around the clock to keep us healthy. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible facts about the human body. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.